Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Silent Violin is probably one of the most innovative instruments for violin players. Whether you're a beginner looking to practice without disturbing others or a seasoned musician seeking a quiet practice tool, this instrument offers a unique solution. It combines the traditional feel of a violin with modern technology, allowing for silent practice through headphones and the ability to connect to amplifiers or recording devices. This makes it ideal for apartment living, late-night practice sessions, and even stage performances. Number 5. Mendini 3-4 Violin Set for Beginners. This violin features a solid spruce top and a maple back, designed for a rich and crisp sound. It's built to last, making it a great choice for any beginner violinist. The violin is hand-carved with a smooth body, ensuring comfortable playing. The premium strings produce vibrant tones, offering excellent performance for any player. This violin kit is a wonderful gift for beginners of all ages. It makes learning the violin enjoyable and helps build confidence in their musical journey. The kit includes a bow, extra strings, rosin, a shoulder rest, and a hard case. Everything needed for a comfortable and convenient learning experience is included. Simply tune the violin, and you're ready to start playing. The bridge will need to be set up upon arrival, but after that, you can start making beautiful music right away. What we like. This violin features premium wood and a beginner-friendly kit, ensuring a rich sound and easy start. It is designed for comfortable playability, making long practice sessions enjoyable. If you are a beginner looking for a complete and comfortable violin set, this is a great choice. What people say. The Yamaha SV250 Silent Violin is a great instrument for practicing without disturbing others. The instrument is well made and produces a clear, resonant tone. The design is sleek and modern, and the violin is comfortable to hold and play. Number 4. Mendini 4-4 Beginner Violin Kit. This violin is crafted with premium solid wood, ensuring excellent tone and durability. The maple back provides lightweight strength and a vibrant sound. It's designed for both durability and comfort, perfect for long-term use. The 4-4 size features an ergonomic design with smooth contours. This helps beginners play longer with ease. Equipped with premium strings, it delivers rich, resonant tones with clear projection, inspiring musical passion. This black violin is a great beginner instrument for any student. It's a perfect gift for anyone, making it easier for beginners to get started on their musical journey. The kit includes everything a beginner needs: a violin, bow, extra strings, bridges, rosin, shoulder rest, tuner, lesson book, and a hard case. Everything is included for a complete beginner playing experience. Your violin arrives almost ready to play. Simply tune the pegs and you're ready to go. The bridge is unset for safe shipping. Start making music in minutes with this hassle-free setup. What we like. This violin boasts excellent craftsmanship and an ergonomic design for comfortable play. It comes with a complete beginner kit, including everything you need to start playing. If you are looking for a violin that combines quality sound with ease of use, you should consider this one. What people say. My son used it all year. This is a perfect product for a kid or a beginner, and it comes with everything you need. It's a good violin, especially for a beginner, comes with great accessories, but I would replace the rosin with a better quality rosin like Hill. It will sound better. Number 3. Cecilio 4-4 Electric Silent Violin, Metallic Red Mahogany. This is the Cecilio 4-4 Electric Silent Violin. It's perfect for both practice and performance. You can enjoy your music with or without disturbing others. The violin features a hand-carved solid maple wood body. It has ebony fittings, including the fingerboard, pegs, chin rest, and tailpiece. This gives it a classic look and feel. The violin comes in a beautiful metallic red mahogany finish. This eye-catching color will make you stand out. It's a stylish instrument for any musician. Powered by a 9V alkaline battery, this violin offers versatility. You can practice silently with headphones or amplify it for performances. It's your choice. The package includes everything you need. It comes with a lightweight hard case, a Brazil wood bow, rosin, a bridge, an AUX cable, and headphones. It's ready to play right out of the box. What we like. This electric silent violin features ebony fittings and a stylish metallic finish. It is perfect for quiet practice or performances, allowing you to play anytime, anywhere. If you like practicing without disturbing others or need a violin for stage, this is a great option. What people say. I love the fact that this Cecilio has a wooden body with the mother-of-pearl details. It actually looks much nicer in person than the pictures. I love the case, and everything that came with it. The rosin is decent and so is the bow. I love the fact that I can carry the case like a backpack, so I can go out and practice out in the nearby park, without feeling awkward about carrying the case. The sound is good, not tinny or brassy, and although playing requires a bit more finger strength than my acoustic violin since the bridge sits a bit higher, the pickup is placed under the bridge, elevating it slightly. I can't imagine that building more finger strength will really be a bad thing. Number 2. Cecilio 4/4 Electric Silent Violin, Metallic Red Mahogany. This electric silent violin is crafted from hand-carved solid maple wood. It features ebony fittings and a stunning metallic red mahogany finish. It's designed to enhance your musical journey. The violin boasts an ebony fingerboard, pegs, chin rest, and tailpiece with mother-of-pearl inlay. The quality of the materials ensures a rich sound and a comfortable playing experience. You will love it. Powered by a 9V alkaline battery, this violin offers both electric and silent practice options. This allows you to practice quietly or amplify your sound for performances. It's versatile. The violin comes with everything you need to start playing. Included are a lightweight hard case, a Brazil wood bow, rosin, a bridge, an AUX cable, and headphones. It's a complete package. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, this violin is an excellent choice. Its features and included accessories make it ideal for both practice and performances. It is a great choice. What we like. This electric silent violin features ebony fittings and a stylish metallic finish. It is perfect for quiet practice or performances, allowing you to play anytime, anywhere. If you like practicing without disturbing others or need a violin for stage, this is a great option. What people say. The Yamaha SV250 silent violin is a great instrument for practicing without disturbing others. The instrument is well made and produces a clear, resonant tone when amplified. The design is sleek and modern, and the violin feels comfortable to hold and play. Number 1. Cecilio CVN 2BL Electric Silent Violin, Blue Metallic. This is the Cecilio CVN 2BL Electric Silent Violin. It's perfect for both practice and performance. You can play it quietly or plug it in for a louder sound. The violin is a full-size instrument with a beautiful blue metallic varnish. It's designed to look great while you play, and it's easy to handle. The body is hand-carved from solid maple wood. It features mother-of-pearl inlays and ebony fittings for the fingerboard, chin rest, pegs, and tailpiece. The violin comes with everything you need to get started. Included are a 9V alkaline battery, a high-quality Brazil wood bow, rosin, a bridge, an AUX cable, and headphones. Whether you're practicing quietly or performing on stage, this violin is a great choice. It's suitable for pop or contemporary music. What we like. This electric silent violin comes with a striking blue metallic varnish. It is ideal for practice and performance, perfect for quiet practicing. If you are looking for a stylish and versatile instrument for both practice and performance, you should consider this. What people say. I love the fact that this Cecilio has a wooden body with the mother-of-pearl details. It actually looks much nicer in person than the pictures. I love the case, and everything that came with it. The sound is good, not tinny or brassy, and although playing requires a bit more finger strength than my acoustic violin since the bridge sits a bit higher, the pickup is placed under the bridge, elevating it slightly. I can't imagine that building more finger strength will really be a bad thing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.